All right, here is my zero effort dinner for tonight because I'm a lazy woman. Let's begin. This dish, so freaking easy, so freaking good. Grab some salsa, pour it in a jar, and mix in some sour cream. Dip a chip in it to taste it. Next is my favorite kitchen hack, which you guys introduced me to. Grab a rotisserie chicken, put it in there, shred it up with a mixer. Put the chicken mix in the sour cream and salsa mix. This is gonna be made in record time and it's so freaking delicious. Now we take flour tortillas and we put our mixture inside. Top them with some cheese. Hold them together with some toothpicks if you want. Now we're gonna bake them. When cheese is melted, they're done. You know, I added in just a little bit of lettuce for health. Look at the perfectly crisp edges. Am I ready? Oh yeah. Here's my zero effort dinner for tonight because I'm lazy. Let's begin. First of all, clean hands and clean chicken. You don't have to smack it, it just adds a layer of fun. Now I'm just putting some olive oil on our chicken. Next, just salt and pepper. Top with a little bit of garlic powder. Alrighty, set it to the side. Put some spreadable cream cheese in a bowl. Moving right along, you're gonna need some basil pesto. You're asking me how much I'm using. We're lazy, we don't measure. Now that I've got my setup, I'm just gonna sear both sides, like super easy. You can skip this step if you want. I'm not fully cooking it through, I'm just locking in the flavor, at least I think. That's what it looks like. Here is our pesto mixture and we're just gonna put it all on top. But wait, one more thing. You're crazy if you thought we were gonna leave cheese out of this. Top it with some mozzarella cheese. Ooh, now we put it in the oven for about 25 minutes. Looks delicious. Now, if you thought we were done, well, we need to make it look fancy. So let's add in a little bit of Italian herb seasoning. This dish was a winner, and I used the extra pesto sauce and some noodles. So good. I think it's time for a zero effort side dish because I don't feel like cooking a whole dinner tonight, so let's go. We're gonna bust out our pressure cooker for this one. Get some red potatoes, and I don't need any negativity because we have to chop. It's minimal effort, just cut them in like fours. Took me a couple minutes, not that hard. Now we're moving over to the Instapot. We're gonna put in chicken broth. A packet of dry ranch seasoning mix. Smells great, stir it around, put your potatoes in. Literally that easy. My phone died, so I didn't get to film myself scooping the potatoes out, but they are done. Next, we're gonna add in some Parmesan cheese and a little bit of butter. Okay, I'm sprinkling in the cheese now, but pro tip, if you're a ranch lover like me, you can also sprinkle in about a half pack more of the dry ranch seasoning mix. It's so good. The heat from the potatoes should kind of melt the Parmesan cheese. Oh, yum. And this is my dinner, and it's dang delicious.